Jolly, what is this place? It's like a 3D museum of some kind, right? Kids, it's like $4 to get in here, and then for adults, it's about $8. But wow, that is really cool. Look at that. There's even like instructions of where to stand and what's the best lighting. Hall after hall of like murals and it's kind of neat. It's an old warehouse that they've kind of converted all the walls, and each room is a different section. This is obviously artwork, classical artwork. And now we enter into the ocean. Big old lobster. It's like wicked dark down there. Wicked dark. Alright, so we went from the ocean realm into the jungle realm. Another thing I have to point out is look at the size of the AC. They're very, very nice and cool in here. What? Ah. Oh, this one looks cool. And now we're gonna enter in from fairy tale to... What is... Wow! Look at the size of this place. Wow, it's 2 stories. Look at that. Careful. We have to go. We have to be very careful. So this is like a part. It's not. There's perspective, but it's a little more intimate. Like you take selfies. Boy, it's really trippy in here, man. Wow. Is that you? Come here. No, that's not you. Wait, you're over here. Come here. That's not you. That's you over there. Okay. Yeah. Come here. No, that's not you. Where are you? Where's Jolly? Okay, next we have, it looks like Roman baths. We have Venice, Italy, and we have big teddy bears. All right, Jolly, what did you think of this?
Great.
It was great?